Okay, let's create an airplane here. So first step is create a tulip twist for the propeller. Just like that. Leave 2-inch bubble here. Just like that. Create 3 or 4 inches bubble here. Another 3 or 4 inches bubble here. Another 3 inches bubble here. And one more 3 or 4 inches bubble here. So it will leave something like this. This will serve as the wings of our airplane. Now, this is the body. Just leave, let's just say 4 inches or 5. Let's just say 5. Now create a loop here for the tail of our airplane. Let's just say 6 inches loop. Just like that. Okay? 6 inches. 3 inches here, 3 inches here. So it's just an approximation. It's up to you if you want to create a bigger tail. Okay, it's totally up to you. And now twist this around, put it through this loop to lock it up, and that's it. So we have here an instant airplane. See that? Airplane. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.